Origin O53P dehumidifier with low grain LGR technology, suitable for an area of 5000 cubic feet with a high airflow of 420 cubic meters per hour. Let's see how it works. You can press the power key to switch it on. You can press the up and down keys to set the required level of RH percentage at which you want the dehumidifier to function, which you can see on the screen. When you press the timer key once, this is the duration for which the dehumidifier has been on for one particular cycle ever since you connected it to the power, which in this case is 2 minutes, as you can see it on the screen. And when you press the timer key for the second time, this is the duration for which the dehumidifier has stayed on across multiple cycles ever since it has been connected to the power, which in this case is 9 minutes, as you can see on the screen. For example, I might have run the dehumidifier for 3 cycles for 3 minutes each throughout the day while switching it off in between. So 9 minutes total. When you long press the timer key, it will reset the timer of that particular cycle, as you can see on the screen. However, the total time for which the machine has been on will stay the same, which in this case was 9 minutes. You can press the purge key to empty the water from the pump reservoir, especially before moving the machine around to avoid any spillage. It comes with a duct for focused drying for particularly wet areas. You can attach an air hose to this duct in order to dry those wet areas quickly and efficiently. The filter can be found in the front part of the dehumidifier. You can remove the filter like this in case you need to clean or replace it. And once you are done, reinsert the filter back to its position like this. The dehumidifier also comes with a set of wheels. Tilt the machine and move it around easily. It also comes with a water pump which can dispense water up to 15 feet. We hope this video was helpful. Please rewatch the video if you could not understand something, and please reach out to us for any questions or queries. Thank you.